Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ChargePoint app charging history, full guide step by step clearly. To download your ChargePoint app charging history, first, open the ChargePoint app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the history section from the main menu. Here, you will see a detailed list of all your charging sessions. To view more information about a specific session, tap on it. You can see details such as date, time, location, and amount of charge received. For exporting your charging history, look for the Options menu, often represented by three dots or a gear icon. Select the Export or Download option from the menu. Choose the format you prefer for your download, such as CSV or PDF. The app will prompt you to choose a destination for the download. Select the location where you want to save the file, such as your device or cloud storage. Confirm your selection and wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, navigate to the location you've saved the file. Open the file to review your detailed charging history. You can now analyze your charging habits or keep this data for your records. If you have any issues during the process, consider consulting the app's help section for troubleshooting. With these steps, you can easily access and manage your ChargePoint charging history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.